In today's video, we are going to show you how to change delivery address on Royal Mail. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials and go to the top right corner where you can see your My Account. Now, changing a delivery for a specific parcel or redirect all mail to a new address is very easy. Okay, so all I have to do is go to My Account and then hover to the Settings tab. Here you will be forwarded the option to edit your address. All I have to do is click on the edit button, okay, if you want it, or if you want to redirect a new delivery address, okay, click the add an address. This will forward you to a new page. You just have to enter a new address here. You can start typing your address and the Royal Mail will automatically locate that for you, or if you want to enter manually, you can do so. For example, I'm going to start typing an address. For example, we're going to use London Orthodontics. You can see that it's automatically populated. But if you don't want it, you can simply enter this manually earlier and put in a flat name, a property name, and all I have to do at this point is click the save button. And again, remember, you have the ability to set this as your default delivery address. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.